We've been hosting this event for 20 years. We started out very small, 40 cars out in front of our shop, trying to raise some money for a charity, just for a good cause. And it's grown into this huge community event. We now see up to 600 cars. We get, 150 vendors supporting us, and we're able to raise money for the Child Advocacy Center this year. I just can't thank people enough. The community, all of the vendors that have come up here and set up, and all of the volunteers that have helped out. It's been just overwhelming and tremendous.